The recording is on. In the previous session, we have seen accessing items, okay, in dictionary. Okay. All right. So let's see how to change the dictionary items. Okay. Changing dictionary items. So you can change the value of specific item by referring to the key. Okay.
Okay.
So let me put it in multiple lines comments. So you can change item by referring its key. Okay. So if I want to change name, okay, then I have to use this key name. If I have to change color, I have to use this key. Then price, then year, then petrol. Okay. Then we are going to create, for example, if you want to see how to change it, okay, let's say, for example, we have a car, okay, so car and dictionary how it's created, okay, like this, and properties of the car is name of the car, okay, and then model of the car or year and the price and the color, okay, color that the car is available in, then price, it's a number, and then year, okay, year when it got launched, okay. So I can put in all the information in here now. So it's it's Tata, okay, its color is black, price is $1,500, year, okay, 2019, okay. Now let's say I want to change this year to 2020. Okay. So what I can do, name of the dictionary is car, name of the key is year that I want to change, and what value? Okay, it's a 2020. Okay. So let's try this code, execute this code. Okay. And similarly, we can do for student class. Okay, student dictionary also. See. Okay, let's run this code. Save this code, clear the terminal. It says no model is okay. We have to check in. Oh, we haven't printed. Okay, so we need to print it. Okay, so we need to print car of year. Okay, because I have updated year, so I will update print this year only. Okay. Okay, let me just comment this part. Okay, it is showing this output. Again, clear the terminal, save the code, and then run it. See, 2020, it is updated, okay? Before it was 2019. You understand? Okay, so now let's, do it using update method, okay? All right, you can do this using update method also, okay? So let's do it. So let me comment it in here. So update method is there, okay? And it will update Okay, through function, I'm see the meaning is there. See, meaning is this that through function also you can do the update. Okay, so it will update the dictionary with items. Okay, so like update function, it will receive argument. Okay, so see how to update it. So similarly, the way we updated the year, we can update the price. Okay, so what we do now? We do now car dot update, and it's a function. So these parentheses are important. Okay. Now passing, what you want to update? Okay, I want to update the key. So in curly braces, I'm going to say the key that I want to update. Okay, price. And then after then, what value I want to update? That I'm going to provide in here. 2900. Okay. So that's it. You can update the price like this using update function. Let's save it. And again, we need to print it. Otherwise, we will not come to know the price is updated. Okay. So let's print car, and here we go, price. Only you have to mention the key. Let's save this and clear the terminal, run the program. Okay, here we go. The price is there. Okay, so we can print here some info here, and this is the price. Okay, so let's clear the terminal and rerun the code. Okay, here we go. Price is updated and year is also updated. So what we have seen, you can update like this. Okay, and you can update to update function. Okay, both ways it works. Okay, just let me. Okay, here's a new topic that we are starting. Okay, let me put here some line. Okay, so it will understand that new topic started from here. Okay, now let's add some items. Let's add some items. Okay, so adding item to the dictionary, it is easy. Okay, you have to just mention the new index. Okay, like key. You have to mention the new key and assigning the value. Okay. Adding item is easy. Okay. Only you have to mention the key and value. Okay. So how can you do it? So let's see. Let's take an example for a student now. Okay, enough with the car. So let's check the example for student. Okay, because we want to also learn the different properties of students also. Okay, it's not like you are going to do the program for student only, isn't it? So let me just do in. Okay, okay, all right, all right. So here we go. Let's create the student. And what are the properties for the students? Yes, the properties are name of the student. Okay. So let me just put first all this and then fill the values. Okay. Then roll number is there. Okay. Again, let me give a roll number is an integer, so I'm not putting it in single quotation, double quotations. Okay. Then, student has email, then mobile. Okay. Mobile is a string, as in because, see, it has like, country code like +91 and all. Okay. So that's why I'm going to put it in string. And then percentage, okay, or grade. Okay, there could be many properties though. Okay, so I'm not going to go in all the details of students' properties. Okay, so let's see how we can. Okay, let's not add mobile and grade. That we can do it with adding add using add function. Okay, so let's do that. So we can just print for student the dictionary, okay, and make sure, okay, let's give a name here, okay, we give the tag, roll number is, okay, it's a 12, email is the tag at gmail.com, okay, and there are no properties in here, so we remove the comma, okay, and now let's just print the student, okay, clear the terminal, rerun the program. You can see in here name, roll number, email of student. It is printed. Now let's say I want to add new item to it. Okay, like what? Like mobile number. So how do I add? I have to just say student new key that I want to add in. It's a mobile is equal to, and I'm going to put in here. It's +91 9765 508195. Okay, so this is the mobile number for the student. Okay, and just like let me just print it here. Okay, okay, so before and after both have printing here. So before adding mobile, okay, mobile number to the student, I printed this student. Okay, so let me check by running the code that does it show the mobile number? Yes. Okay, it does show me the mobile number. Okay, so this is how you can add new properties. Okay, so you can add using update function also. Okay, okay. So if the item doesn't exist now, see we already seen update function. Okay, if the item already exists, then it will update the value. If the item doesn't exist, okay, then it will add the new item. Okay, all right. So what update function does? Yes, if item already exists, it will update. Okay. So with the update function, you have to remember if the item already exists, it will update. And okay, sorry, if I have to say if. And in here, if item does not exist, it will add. Okay, it will add, it will be added. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, so let's do that. If the existing student, okay, let's say now mobile is added. So what I can add? Address. Okay, so let me add the address now. So I'll have to just say car. So sorry, student. Okay, we are working with the student dictionary. Okay, so just say student dot update, and in here we say address. Okay, and in here you have to put it this one in curly braces, remember this part, and then you say in here address, okay, the physical address, okay. So we just put it in here, okay, India, okay, or you can just put here country also, okay. I'm not going to put the detail address here, okay, but you can put the detail address in here, okay. All right, just save it, clear the terminal. We have to print it, okay, print the student, okay. And this is how you can add new items. Okay, here we go. We have the, update here. Okay, and here also, see, we have address added. See, yes, do you understand? Now let's see remove function. Okay, so let me just do copy paste this dictionary. Okay, and let me comment all this because this is like add update. Okay, and now we are learning, remove dictionary. Okay, so in this, you can remove items, okay, from a dictionary. Okay, okay, so this text will help you understand what it does. Okay, it will remove the items from the dictionary. So, okay, so what you can do, you can use pop method. Okay, so using pop method, you can remove it. Okay, so with the, index, you need to specify in this one. Okay, for example, okay, you need to do like car dot pop what? I want to remove price. Okay, so you can do this. Okay, so let's create another dictionary. Okay, don't see don't get used to the same dictionary. Okay, we'll just create another dictionary in here, which is book. Okay, so book has name. Okay, book doesn't have roll number. It's not like we have the same properties as in student. So book doesn't have email. Okay, book has pages. Okay, how many pages book has? We say 1,200. Okay, the book name, it's Python. Okay, and let's say author. Okay, so author will be Tathag. Tathag, okay. You're the publisher, let's say. Then comma. We can say important thing is price now. Okay. So what is the price for the book? Okay, it is 450. Okay. So these are the properties for the books, and these are the values. Okay, it is for one book. Okay, book one. If you want to create another book, you just say book two. You understand? Let's trying to add remove. Okay, we learn how to add. Let's say we have added publisher in here. Okay, so how do you add? Using, first let's add it. Okay, to practice, add key. Okay, publisher. Okay, publisher is, let's say, Tata. Okay, Tata is the publisher. I want to add it. How do I add? I have to say book, and then, or if you want to do it using update, you do it like this, and mention only this publisher. Okay, and then colon the value. So who is the publisher? Data. Okay, this is how you can do it. Okay, and I can print it. Okay, just to confirm that the new key is added. Okay, now let's rerun this code. Clear, save, run. Okay, here we go. we have publisher in now. Okay, now let me remove this publisher. Okay, which I just added in book dictionary. Okay, let me just remove it. Now remove the publisher key. So you have to do it with the pop. So you just say book dot pop and the key. Okay, here we go. Okay, we remove this publisher now. Okay, so if it successfully removed it or not, okay, from the dictionary, we can print it. Okay, let's just save it, clear it, run it. Okay, here we go. We updated publisher in here. Okay, and then we removed, okay, publisher from the dictionary. Okay, you will not find publisher in here. Okay, this is how you can, okay, remove the keys. Okay, you can randomly remove also. It's not like publisher. I can remove, pages. Okay, if I want to remove this key, okay, for pages, I can do that. Okay, randomly you can delete it. So let's just say, okay, let's just say, okay, and then clear and run the code. Okay, here we go. We have name, author, price, publisher, but not, see, but not, we don't have, yes, yes, pages, isn't it? Do we have pages in here? No, you got it? So this is how we can remove. And if you want to remove the last item, okay, I don't want to mention the, the key all the time. If it's just I want to remove the last one, then I can use remove the last key always. See, if you don't mention no, the key in here, okay, it is going to remove the last inserted key. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so what is the last inserted key, which is a publisher? Okay, here we randomly deleted the pages. Okay, that's fine. But what is last insert? See, last inserted is publisher. So if you want to remove using pop item, okay, you can do this. Book dot pop item. Okay, and you don't have to mention the key. Okay, because pop item will remove the last inserted key. Okay, so last is dictionary, sorry, last is publish. Okay, so it will be removed. So let's just print it, print book. Okay, and here you will not find publisher. Okay, publisher will be removed. You understand? Let's just save it, clear, run. So as you can see in here, okay, it removed publisher, okay, last item. So it removes the last one, the last publisher, okay, key will be removed, okay. Let's just keep it short and simple. Okay, if I just run this, okay, clear this. See, now you can see last publisher key removed. So I can understand, see what is removed, okay. If I just put some text in here in print statement, okay. All right, you can remove the items with the delete key also. Okay, delete is kind of dangerous. Okay, let me show you how you can use the delete key. Okay, okay. So delete is a keyword. Okay, it's a keyword that you can use it to remove items. Okay. Also, it is used to remove dictionary. Okay, remove dictionary as well. So it's kind of using it risky because you know, if you want to delete item, fine, no doubt. Okay, let me delete, publisher. Okay, so I can just say mention the key in here, publisher. All right, that's fine. Okay, publisher is going to remove, but as we already removed it from in here, okay, using pop item, it's not going to find it. So let me comment this one. Okay, let's comment it. Here we go. We commented now publisher is available to us to get rid of it. Okay. All right. So let's print this. Okay. So I'll just copy and paste it in here. Okay. Publisher will be removed now. Okay. So you will not find publisher now. Using delete keyword, we can do that. Okay. Here we go. Publisher key removed. You will not find publisher in here. See. So it's an alternative. Okay. That you can use pop item or pop or delete keyword. Okay, and you want to completely delete the dictionary. Okay, you don't want to keep it in. Okay, like I don't need this book. Okay, so I'll just say delete and book. Just don't mention any key in here because you don't want single key. Okay, present. You don't even want the dictionary. Okay, it's going to delete the dictionary entirely. Okay, okay. So here we go. We are going to delete. So if we print this book, it's going to give us error. Okay. So let's save it clear and okay. Let's comment all this. Okay. We just want the output for deleting dictionary. Okay. And this also. Okay. Here we go. Let's delete. Okay. Here we go. Okay. It's saying, see, read the error. Okay. What does it say? See, name book is not defined, so it cannot find it. It cannot find it simply. Why? Because you just deleted it. Okay. Though you have defined it here, dictionary. Okay. But after then you deleted it. Okay. So that means you cannot find it. You understand? Okay. So this is that I understand that how to delete dictionary. Now I can. Okay, now what I can do, I will clear the dictionary. Let me keep the dictionary, but I don't want to delete its existence, but I want to clear it. Okay, so you can use the clear method. It will, okay, it will clear all the keys. Okay, or it will do, it will empty the, dictionary. Okay. So how to do that? We simply have, okay, let me comment all this now. Okay, we have to scroll again and again on top. So let's just comment it, copy it, paste it, okay, for clear, okay. And this one goes in comment now because if we delete the dictionary, there's no point in clearing, okay. If it doesn't exist, how will you clear, okay? How will you remove the keys? Okay, we don't want, we want the existence of book, but we don't want existence of keys, name, pages, author, all the keys. I meant all the keys. So how do you do that? You just say book dot clear. Okay, and then print book. Okay, you understand? So let's do that. Let's save this and clear the terminal. rerun the code. Okay, all right, here we go. We don't have anything here. All clear. We just say all clear. Okay, all clear meaning everything it is removed. Okay, so let's just save it, clear the terminal, rerun the code. Here we go. Okay, we have nothing. Okay, that's how you clear it. Okay, that's how you clear it. Okay, all right, let's just see how we can print all the items from the dictionary. Okay, using loops. So we are going to do looping now. Okay, so let's just comment in here all the things and copy in this book. Okay, now you might wonder why I cannot just continue writing the code. See, we already did clear here. We have nothing in book dictionary. Okay, that's why. So we have to comment all and paste it in here. And here we just say we're going to do looping. Looping means what? Actually, it will return. So return it will return. Okay, the keys. Okay, it will return the keys, and there is a way to get the key values also. There is a way to get the value as well. So it will give me only keys of the dictionary. Okay, like name, pages, etc. Okay. Let's see that, okay, in detail. So how to print it, all the keys, okay? Just say for X in book, okay? And we are going to just do print X, and it should print all the keys. Let's clear the terminal, save the program, and run the code. Okay, here we go. We got the keys, name, pages, author, price. Okay, you got it? Now let's say you want to get the values, okay? Okay, it will give me the keys. It will be printing all the keys, but I want to print all the values also. Okay, so it will be printing all values. Okay, how? You need to do for X in book and print. When you see X is key, no? So you put that in book. Okay, when you say book and book of what? X. You understand? So if you put this key inside this book, okay, book of X, you say, and it will print the values instead of, the keys. So we're not interested in the keys, we are interested in its values. So you just say book of, X. Let's just save it and clear the terminal, run the code. Here we go. We have, okay, it's printing both outputs. Okay, first it's printing key in here and here values. Okay, so let's just comment this part. Okay, let's just save it and clear and run the code. Here we go. We have the values. What if we want both the key and value? Okay, so it is saying, okay, here separator you use it, colon, okay, and here you print X comma, okay, X comma like this. Okay, so it's going to give me now the output in well formatted. Okay, so now it will print, see what is key name is this. Okay, Python. So this is X actually printing, and the Python it's a value. Here it is printing, and the colon it's a separator we have used. Okay, you can use arrow also. Okay, it's not like you have to use only colon, as because it's a syntax part of syntax. Okay, it's not that way. Let me clear, run the code. You got it? You can print only values or keys using this, okay? So using values function, okay, you can print all values, okay, of a dictionary. How is it possible? Okay, see, you don't have to, use this format book of X in order to get the values. It's easy. You just say for X in, okay, book dot values. Just say values. If you need values, you just say values. So now X will be values, not key. Because here you said book dot values. So X will be values. So we just say print X. So it will be printing values. Okay. So let me just put comment in here. Okay. And run this code. So let me just save it. Clear the terminal. Run the code. See, it will be printing all the values. See. And if you don't mention these values, what is going to happen? It is going to print all the keys. Okay. Not the value. Default is key. See, default is key, name, pages, author. But if you do say, values in here, okay, it will not print keys, but it will print values. Okay. But let's say you want to print, only keys, but the way that you know how to get the keys is default. Okay. Either this, okay, you can print all the keys. Okay. Like this also, it will print the keys. Let me show you. See, it is printing values in here and keys in here. You can do like this also. Book dot keys. This is also valid. Okay. So let me just comment it in here and save it, run it. Okay. So you will get the keys now. Okay. All right. That's it for today's session. See you in the next session. Please rejoin the session now. Thank you.
Okay.